Hey everyone, this is our pig squealing car horn. This is our button version of the horn. It comes with a button included. So this is a really loud horn, guys. So we've got it facing down so it doesn't hurt our ears. The black wire comes from the horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or anywhere you have a ground source. And then your red wire comes from your horn to go to a 12-volt power source. It could be your battery, a fuse, wherever you have a 12-volt power source. And then your yellow wire comes from the horn to go to one side of the button, which is included. Then you simply just run another wire with 12 volts to the other side of the button and you're good to go. So this is our pig squealing car horn.